Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our next video from our course on how to create webinars. Now, in this short lecture, I want to talk to you about something that is very important in my opinion, and that is why should you use webinars for your business. First of all, you need to have the why, as you probably already know, okay? So let's dive into the actual information. I will reveal to you in this lecture four main reasons. These are four main reasons in my opinion of why you should use webinars into your business. First of all, webinars help you build a stronger and more natural relationship with your audience. Now, why am I telling you this? Just think about it. We already use different types of online marketing channels, online marketing tools, okay? We send out emails, we create videos, we record podcasts, okay? We share posts and we post on Facebook and on different social media platforms. But very, very rarely our audience actually has the occasion to interact in a live, in a live and real time with us, okay? Webinars give them the chance to get to know the real us, okay, and build a stronger relationship with us, because they practically give them the occasion, the rare opportunity to interact with us in a real time, okay. Now, the second reason would be that webinars help you build credibility and authority. And why am I telling you this? Okay, there are a lot of people out there that are in your target audience that don't know who you are, okay? They don't know your expertise, they don't know your achievements in your field of expertise, and so on, okay? And practically into a live webinar, you can deliver value to your target audience, okay? You can deliver important knowledge that would help them in the field or niche that you activate in, and thus it will build credibility and authority in front of them. They will get to know what are your achievements, okay? They will see actually what value can you deliver to them, and that's how you build credibility and authority, okay? And practically this will translate future on into making more sales, okay? Having a higher conversion rate. Reason number three is the fact that they are great for education and training, okay? There are a lot of companies out there, and there are a lot of marketers that are using webinars to offer value to their community and to educate and train their community in a certain direction. Obviously, you probably already know that this is one of the biggest trends, not in the world, okay, or on the internet right now, but also in marketing and sales, to educate and train your audience, okay? Through education and training, ultimately you will get more sales. So webinars are great for doing this because they are like a live classroom, okay? People can practically get questions to you in a real time, and they can get the answers back in real time as well. So this will translate for them in a higher qualitative learning experience. Now, the fourth reason, and probably the most important, don't take it right now, okay? So is the fact that you have a high conversion rate. We are all here for business people, okay? And business translates in sales and profits. The results in business are practically more sales and more profits, okay? And webinars are proven to have high conversion rates. For example, which marketing tool you know right now that can bring you sales for high ticket offers or products that are priced at $2,000 or $5,000, okay? There are very few marketing tools that can help you do that, and webinars are one of these marketing tools. Now, let me give you an example. I have a friend that activates in the internet marketing industries, and very recently he had a launch, okay, of a digital product. And after this launch, for the buyers of the product, he created a special webinars in which he promoted the coaching program for some affiliate marketers, and the coaching program was priced at $2,000. There were around 80 people in that live webinar, and guess what? At the end of the webinar, they made $20,000 in sale. Okay, so they sold somewhere at somewhere at 10 products. Okay, because they made somewhere around 20,000 in sales. So they sold they sold practically to 10 people, 10 coaching programs priced at $2,000. Okay, that's a very, very high conversion rate if you think about it. It's more than 10%. Okay, and for a very, very high priced product. Practically, there aren't a lot of tools that that give you the possibility to do that, to sell this type of high ticket products, okay, to an audience and people to actually buy from you this type of high ticket products. So webinars are great at doing this. Now guys, these are the 4 main reasons why I think webinars are great for business, okay? The 4 main reasons why I think you should use webinars into your business. Of course there are many others, but these one are the main 4 for me. Now thank you very much guys for your attention, and I will see you in our next